All right, guys, welcome to another live stream. Welcome to another live stream. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Welcome to another episode of Talking Finance while playing chess. And today we're just going to go over market update. The market is crashing, so really not much to dig into. Not much has changed. We've seen a significant crash in crypto and in stocks, and it just looks like this tariff stuff is just tearing up the market. So yeah, but let me start this game so that way we can continue talking about the market. So I'll probably do like 1 to 2 games today. All right, cool. I'm white. All right, let me pull a synopsis up here. That's moving pretty fast. All right. So yeah, the market overall is down today. It says as of March 10th, both the stock market and the cryptocurrency market are experiencing significant downturns influenced by escalating recession concerns and recent policy announcements. And I think we went over the policy announcements, but we'll see what they say here. All right, what is this guy trying to do? All right, so stock market sentiment. Major U.S. stock indices have declined sharply. The S&P 500 ETF is trading at 560, down 2.6%. Okay, so it's tracking the S&P ETF, so I'm pretty sure the index itself is down. BTC was trading as low as 77,400. Yeah, I mean, BTC is just going super low. And a lot of people are saying that we could go a lot lower. And basically, it's because they're saying people are expecting we have a lot of people that are experienced, that have been through multiple cycles, that are wanting to cash in on the parabolic move, because typically we see a parabolic move in March, April, a year after the halving. So what they're saying is a lot of people are anticipating that. So maybe we're just seeing a delay as far as altcoin season. But again, we do also have the tariffs and things like that. So it's going to be interesting to see if we decrease interest rates, because that's what they're saying that the new administration is trying to aim for. They're supposedly trying to crash the market to decrease interest rates as much as possible. Again, and they talk about the trade tensions. The ongoing trade war with Canada has added to market volatility. After President Trump's announcement of increased tariffs on March 3rd, let's see what he's trying to do. The U.S. stock market experienced significant declines, although some tariffs were suspended on March 6th. Yeah, some of the tariffs were pushed back a month. So, it's let me move this out. It's like we imposed the tariffs, but then we backed off a little bit. But apparently it's just for a month. All right, let's move this up. All right. But yeah, not much really. I mean, it's pretty much the same stuff. Honestly, we could see this for an additional week, but things could change too. I mean, we saw any little bit of positive news can change the trajectory of where the market's going. We saw it with BTC when the whole Bitcoin reserve and things like that. I'm not going to get caught with that. I'm not sure what he's thinking here, but all right. But yeah, we saw with that it shifted the whole market sentiment. I mean, BTC went from like 86 or 82 to 90, 92, 94. So again, all we need is some positive news, and it could change the trajectory of the market. Again, a lot of this is market manipulation. All right, what do I want to do here? All right, I think I can. I'm just gonna move this over. Actually, move this over. And I switched up the view too. I think this view is better. Let's see. Let's see if he switches. I think he'll go for it. I think he'll go for it. Oh, he gave me a free piece. Free piece. Look at that. Patience. But yeah, all we need is some positive news right now. Everything is down. And it's not looking good for the market. But again, this is the time where you need to accumulate your favorite assets. They're on discount. This is not the time to panic. All right, I'm going to block this because he's trying to run it up. And I'm going to get him, though. Watch this. He did get me. Wait, if I go there... oh, I see what he's trying to do. Let's move this up. Let's move this up. Let's see if I can share so we can look at really quick and switch it up. Yeah, so stocks get clobbered as Nasdaq plunges 4%. Treasury rallies use at U.S. recession. Investors safety. Again, if we look at the whole right, Nvidia is down to 106, maybe even break under 100. And I told you guys Nvidia was overbought here. So, and here comes the correction. I was saying here at 132 that it's just overextended. All right, let me go to here before I take this L. All right. Well, I wasted a lot of time on the clock. All right, I got to be focused on this. I got to get focused. That was the best move, but I see what he's trying to do there. And I won't let it happen. I won't let it happen. He's in a conundrum here. You thought I was gonna lose. Yeah, I'm only gonna do one game. You gotta make a fatal mistake, most likely here, and it's gonna be over. Told you, fatality, 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 and he'll resign. Let him resign. Yep, there you go. Resign. Cool. All right, that's my only game for the day. Let's just take a quick look at what's going on with these prices, and let's see what's going on in the market. I'm gonna share my screen. Gotta put this back up. So yeah, so Nvidia's crashing, right? And I said it before. You really got to look at the charts. And what I said was it was overextended, and it's going to correct. But in order for it to correct, not only does this chart need to show that it needs to correct, you typically need some type of news. And again, it's just ironic that when it corrects like this, you get the tariff news, you get the uncertainty. So that was kind of the news that we needed to have this crash. And it's the same for all these other stocks. Tesla down like 30, 40%. I mean, 15% on the day, but I mean, it's crashed from 462 to 222. And again, for me, Tesla is one of those companies that people with a lot of leverage just make a lot of money on. Like these hedge funds and things like that, they're shorting Tesla, they're riding it up because it seems like every time it gets to like 120, 130, it goes back up to like 400, then it comes crashing back down. And again, a lot of the hope is on this robo-taxi and the robotics and all this other stuff. But again, we still haven't got robo-taxi, and I hear self-driving is good, but it's still not selfless, right? You still need to intervene. So yeah, that's my take on Tesla. Dell, again, I think Dell's one of those really good companies. It's at a good buy right now, especially for the next 3 to 5 years. I think it could be close to a $500 to $1 trillion company if this AI narrative takes off the way I believe it's going to take off. And then, wow, I mean, we look at the Fear and Greed Index, it's at 17, very low. A lot of people being scared in the market. A lot of people are panicking. But again, I always go back to this chart, and I say that March is typically a positive month for BTC. Overall, 11%, and we're just at the beginning stages of March, so I think it could definitely have time to turn around. And really, all we need is, some positive news, and I think we'll get that. We can get that pretty soon. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you all for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.